Fellow countrymen and women, I salute you once again in the course of our nation's history. I am reaching you directly from Edo. What we used to have as Oshobaba has now been reduced, downgraded, degraded to Oshopikin. So nobody should call Oshobaba again. Never. The only thing you now have is Oshopikin. Everybody, Obaseki me for one time, Obaseki. Wike me for 2 times, Wike. Makinde me for 1 time, Makinde. Ekwere Madu me for 1 time, Ekwere Madu. Oyadino me for half time, Di Mechionu. Otiko, Oshopikin. Otiko, Oshopikin. Tiko, Oshopikin. Oshobaba, oh, now, Oshopikin. Oshopikin, oh, Oshopikin. Obaseki flog you, Oshopikin. How can you expect that during rainy season, a man with the umbrella will not win? Definitely PDP win. APC, how markets? Oshomole, how markets? How market now? How markets? Owó wọgbó lọ, àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ, àwọn tó gbé bullion wá. Owó wọgbó lọ, àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ, àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Obaseki, pepper them, Philip Shaibu, pepper them, Wike, pepper them, Wike, pepper them, Ekwere Madu, pepper them, Makinde, pepper them, Dinome Elaye, pepper them. So how market now? APC, how market? God pass Manjari, PDP.